Larry Ellison's life story is a real example of the American dream, being an adopted child that grew up from very humble beginnings to becoming the founder and CTO of Oracle, the biggest enterprise solutions company in the world. This has led him to become the fourth richest person in the world, according to Forbes, with a net worth of about $107 billion. Larry Ellison is generally known for his high work ethic and dedication. Even to this day, he still pulls multiple all-nighters at work when working on a big project. In this video, we will look at how Larry Ellison created the biggest enterprise solutions company in the world. Larry Ellison was born in 1944 in New York City. His mother gave him up for adoption to his aunt and uncle not long after his birth. Apparently, he never met his mother again until he was 48 years old. His family later moved to Chicago, where he attended South Shore High School. After high school, he initially got admitted for pre-med in University of Illinois. His brilliance was already at display there, as he was once named Science Student of the Year. In his sophomore year, he faced a major tragedy. He lost his adoptive mother. This really made him devastated that he dropped out of college. After dealing with his loss, he decided to go back to college, but this time he went to the University of Chicago and studied physics and mathematics. It was here that he got introduced into computer design. He got so much passion for it that he decided to drop out of college again and now pursue a career as a computer programmer in Berkeley, California. He first worked at Amdahl Corporation and later moved to Ampex Corporation. In Ampex, he started working on a project to produce a database for the CIA. He named the project Oracle. Ellison's inspiration for Oracle was directly from Edgar Codd's original paper on relational database systems. In 1977, Ellison decided to leave Ampex and start his own company. He founded software development laboratories known as SDL for short, with an initial investment of $2,000. In 1979, he renamed his company to Relational Software Inc. Shortly after this, he released the first version of Oracle Database and called it Oracle version 2. Note that there was no Oracle version 1. Since Oracle was its main product, he renamed the company to Oracle Systems Corporation in 1983. The company marketed this product using an upfront strategy, where they urged potential customers to buy the largest amount of the license in one go. But then the salespeople booked those future licenses as current sales to boost their current bonuses. Now, this started to become a big problem when future sales did not materialize, leading to class action lawsuits Oracle had to settle. All these losses and lawsuits led to the company almost filing for bankruptcy and having to cut more than 10% of its employees. At this time, the relational database industry was dominated by IBM with its DB2 and SQLDS database products. But this was the time of mainframe computers. The late 80s and 90s was when mid-range and microcomputer systems came to scene, with Unix and Windows operating systems. IBM was reluctant to get into this market for relational databases, which left the door open for Oracle and other smaller companies like Sybase, Informix, and Microsoft to dominate this market. Sybase was the company that really gained momentum in this new market. From 1990 to 1993, it was the fastest growing database company, but in 1996, it fell victim to a merger with PowerSoft. After this merger, their focus was shifted away from database technology, and they eventually sold the rights to their database software to Microsoft, which is what we know as SQL Server today. With Sybase getting out of this market, left a vacuum for someone to take the role as the dominant player in database technology. This will spike a serious battle between Informix and Oracle for that position. The intense war between Informix CEO Phil White and Larry Ellison was front-page news in Silicon Valley for 3 years. In April 1997, Informix announced a major revenue shortfall and earnings misstatements, which greatly affected the reputation of the company. This eventually led to Phil White being indicted for securities, wire, and mail fraud. This was the blow that knocked out Informix, leading to them eventually being absorbed by IBM in 2001. With this defeat, Oracle now enjoyed years of dominance in the industry, until the rise of Microsoft SQL Server and IBM's DB2 complement they produced for Unix and Windows operating systems. Still to this day, Oracle's main competitors for database licenses are IBM's DB2 and Microsoft's SQL Server. In 2010, Larry Ellison made a major move by purchasing Sun Microsystems. This gave Oracle control of the popular MySQL database, which Sun had acquired in 2008. But this was not the biggest advantage they got from this acquisition. They also now controlled Java, which is one of the most popular programming languages. You see, Java is basically used by every large company to build their applications. Oracle having control of Java means they can literally reach most large companies, offering solutions and support to them. This was what really grew Oracle to what it is today. Today, Oracle is a leader in enterprise solutions, which has propelled Larry Ellison to be among the top 5 richest people in the world. If you found this video interesting, like and subscribe to the channel to get more interesting tech stories. Also, Larry Ellison's right-hand man, Thomas Kurian, which helped him build the company, left to join Google to help save their cloud business. Check out the video to the left to find out how Thomas Kurian saved Google Cloud from bankruptcy. Until next time.